What is up, guys? Welcome back, Dogecoin family, and once again another video. We're going to talk about Dogecoin and their price, if it will rise in the face of adversity or sink back to December 22 lows. All right, so I'm going to get into that. We're going to talk a little bit of patterns that's going on in the charts, as well as talk about some things Dogecoin has going on, and we're going to get into that later in this video. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, and let's get down to it. All right, so quickly, if we look at the crypto bubbles, you can see what is going on with the markets. Basically, everybody is pulling out of crypto in fear of this clampdown ushered in by the SEC in regards to their staking issues. All right, so a lot of basically fear has been injected in the market. We're going to see a couple red days. All right, that is not to be something that we're going to hide. It is coming. It has happened so far. We're going to see, and then we're probably going to see basically this all wash away as it dies out of the news. All right. But there has been a pullback with basically Bitcoin down 4%. We are seeing basically what is going on that with them, and the markets are following due to this SEC clampdown with staking regulations. All right. Now we're going to get more clarity, so stay tuned for more updates along the way. However, when we talk about Dogecoin, down 7%. Okay, so some of the altcoins are going to get hit a little harder as expected. All right, but Doge is still up almost 8% on the month. Okay, so basically we're going to talk a little bit about the pattern that is weighing Doge down, and then we'll get into why this is going to possibly leave them yet to be discovered as we talk about, will Doge go higher or lower? All right, so let's get into that right now. All right, so briefly, Dogecoin, as I said, is becoming suppressed. If we look at this descending triangle pattern, it is a bearish technical pattern. Okay, basically a horizontal support level, as you can see right here, with a downward slanting resistance level. All right, and that is basically forming a descending triangle, illustrating a bearish prediction. However, this is just a TA, and you know, a lot of people that are bears in the market are going to look for negativity. A lot of people say there's no catalyst surrounding Dogecoin. All right, so for those of us involved with the community, that is yet to be kind of seen. However, we do know basically the catalyst that everybody is waiting on is the community. All right, the community is rallied around the Twitter and Elon Musk discussions for digital payments on their platform. All right, so that is huge. That is something that's basically going to launch 2023. But other than that, more utility for Dogecoin is necessary to basically bolster this strong Dogecoin community that is already present. All right, now we're going to go and talk about Dogecoin rising in the face of adversity or sinking to December 22 lows. All right, so Doge has basically given back 15% after that rejection, trying to get up into the zero back at the 10 cents level. Okay, so we basically hit the top at that upward trend, and now with another factor and negative catalyst basically driving the markets lower, coming from the SEC in regards to the staking clampdown. That is what we are seeing right now, guys. Okay, so, and also want to illustrate for you guys, the Dogecoin price has been on a run of 45% from December, the end of 22 basically, to February 4th, okay? And we almost took back that zero, guys, all right? And there was multiple closes above the buying line at 0.946, but did not last. All right, so just basically, if you look right here, how close we were to taking back that zero and moving forward. However, on the last rally, the RSI was relatively flat, suggesting the exhaustion of the bulls. And basically, when we talk about the RSI, that's just a prediction if something is oversold, basically. So when we talk about the closing we are seeing with Dogecoin, it is just going to follow basically Bitcoin and Ethereum for the near future due to what is going on with this SEC regulation in regards to staking. So we're going to want to stay tuned for that macro point when we look at what Dogecoin's price is going to do. However, like this basically immediate support level at 0.813. That's kind of like a solid level for Doge in the last month or two. You know, you can look at the steady climb from what we were. We were down basically at that 0.07 level. All right, so coming up from that and being at the 0.8 level, that's not something to bark at, because I do think that there will be strong catalysts coming for crypto, and this is just kind of a speed bump along the way. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates. However, we're going to talk real quickly about what the case for the bulls is, because that would be logical, right, guys? All right, so everybody sees basically where we came from. This was just basically off of a Twitter rumor with Elon Musk. Okay, so if we actually get some substance where something actually has utility, and you can wrap your hands around that and actually physically see that being implemented in the Dogecoin, I could see some bullish momentum coming in the future. Okay, and I think we are just a month or two away from more certainty as it relates to that, because the Fed is loosening. We are seeing a lot of softening with the markets. The macroeconomic factors are dying down. So I'm excited to see what Dogecoin is bringing. But for now, I'm going to keep my eyes locked on Bitcoin and see that price movement, because that's what I'm going to use as my trading tool kind of in the near to intermediate future, because of what is going on with the stable coins and the staking protocols being regulated. So that's all I got for you guys. Please leave your comments down below. Do you guys see Dogecoin returning back to December 22 lows, or basically going higher? So let me know down below in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you have not done so.